Hello, my name is Carl, and today I'll be preparing for you a rainforest passion shrimp. It's going to be served with an avocado mousse and a mango relish. So we're going to start by making our avocado mousse, right? I'm going to put it in a bowl. I'm going to be adding some salt and pepper to it. A bit of lime juice. Some fresh chopped parsley. And some fresh scallion to give it a nice bite, right? So next we're going to be working on our mango relish. Right, we're just going to be adding some fresh parsley to this. Right. Some more scallion. Some black pepper. A bit of salt. And then we're just going to stir that together. For an additional bite, if you like, you could add a bit of onion to it. It could be red onion, you could add some peppers to it as well. It's totally up to you what you want to use. Just going to combine this. Now we're going to start working on our shrimp. So here we have our shrimp. Again, we have to season. Everything that we touch, we have to add some amount of seasoning to it. We can't necessarily season the sauce or an accompaniment or the protein alone because all the flavors need to come together. Some pepper. Some garlic. A little bit of oil. Right, and just a bit of thyme on it. I think we're just going to stir this up. Here we have some ripe plantain, right, that we had already boiled to make sure that it is nice and tender, right, and we're just going to mash this because this is going to be an accompaniment for the dish itself. Right. Some salt. Some pepper, right? A bit of heavy cream because we want to have a nice smooth taste in this, right? And then some fresh parsley. And so here we have it, seasoned, and we're just going to mash it to bring everything together now. And so here we're going to start preparing our shrimp, right? We have a saute pan on the stove, right? We're going to be adding a little bit of vegetable oil to it. Not a lot because we're using a non-stick pan. I know nowadays everybody wants to eat healthy. Right, so we're using a rainforest shrimp, right? But just a bit of information about the shrimp. It falls under the crustacean part of the seafood family, right? And like lobster, crab, crawfish, that sort of thing would be in the same category. So these type of seafood, you don't want to cook them too much because the longer that you cook them, the tougher they will actually become. So we're going to be deglazing the pan with a bit of white wine. We're going to be adding a bit of passion juice to this. So what we want to do is reduce this, right? So the water will evaporate and concentrate that flavor. The passion fruit flavor will basically be left behind. Add a bit of salt and pepper to this. Okay, so we're going to start our plate up. As this is the ingredients that we have here, or mashed plantain that we had before, some parsley, some chiffonade vegetables, some lemon as garnish, or mango relish, and our avocado mousse. Putting some relish just to one side. Garnishing with some lime, right? So we can go ahead and put that down here. We put on our shrimp. parsley. Just little tiny sprigs. Just gonna be garnished, just a little bit of balsamic syrup. Here we have it, our rainforest passion fruit shrimp, served with mashed ripe plantain, avocado mousse, and mango relish.